Hi guys, today we are making rich chocolate waffles topped with creamy vanilla ice cream and a drizzle of homemade chocolate syrup. Guys, look at that shine. So for a fresh pop, I'm adding some grapes on the side, and this plate is the perfect balance of warm crepes waffles and cool melty ice cream. It's simple and absolutely irresistible. So guys, let's begin the process. So in a bowl, I'm going to sift some flour. I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'll go in with a tablespoon of baking powder, It's now time for us to sift our cocoa powder. I'm using half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. I'll then add half a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of salt to balance the taste. I'll combine everything to make sure that all the ingredients, the dry ingredients, are mixed properly. Okay. I'll set that aside and then go ahead to prep my wet ingredients. So with the wet ingredients, I'm using 2 eggs, a cup of milk, 1.5 cup of milk. I'm using evaporated milk, a half cup of melted margarine. I'll also use a teaspoon of vanilla essence, a teaspoon of strawberry flavoring, and a teaspoon of banana flavoring. Okay, you can decide to use just one, but usually I like to combine all 3. Okay, so you can try that out as well. Now it's time for us to put everything together beautifully. Make sure you whisk it till everything is properly combined. All the ingredients are properly combined. Now I've brought back my dry ingredients, and so I'm going to add the wet ingredients and then combine properly. Okay, this one you do not need to over mix, but just make sure everything comes together beautifully. look at this rich chocolatey batter. It's looking all good. Okay, so we are set to make our waffles now. So I'll go ahead and then preheat my waffle maker, and then we would prepare our waffles. Grease this with some oil. You can use butter, margarine, or cooking spray. I'll then pour in some butter, close the lid, and let it cook until the waffles are crisp on the outside and fluffy inside. Okay. Guys, the first batch is done. How do you see this? It's looking all good, so I'll just take it out carefully because I don't want it to divide into the various cutters. Okay, I just want the whole thing on my plate, so I'm careful removing this. Okay, so I'll just put that on my plate. Voila, guys. How do you see this? It's looking so good. So we'll continue and prepare the second batch. Also looking very gorgeous. I'll take my thing out carefully onto my plate. Now we are making the third batch, and when we close that, we are going to head to the stove top to quickly prepare our homemade chocolate syrup. Now in a saucepan, I'm adding a cup of sugar, white sugar. I'll go in with half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add just a pinch of salt. Combine everything together properly. At this point, go in with a cup of water, mix everything together, and allow this to boil over. Okay, stirring from time to time. After it boils, I'll just reduce the heat and simmer this for about 3 to 4 minutes more, and then I'll set it aside to cool. Chocolate syrup is almost there, guys. Look at this. This is just simple to make in the house. Okay, when you do not have the store-bought one, or you can't have access to one, you can simply make this at home. So I'll set it aside add a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then allow this to cool completely. Okay, and the syrup also thickens as it cools, so it's very necessary for you to allow it to cool properly. The leftover also can be stored in the fridge for up to about 2 weeks. Guys, look at this, it's looking good. Homemade chocolate syrup. Guys, how cool is this? I guess you are going to try this out as well. And guys, our chocolate waffles are ready as well. I got about 5 pieces of this, okay, this whole one. And there we have it, our chocolate waffles topped with some vanilla ice cream and a dash of grapes and a drizzle of chocolate syrup, homemade chocolate syrup. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Okay, so until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.